Okay, look. You guys are on. Okay, we're doing a cubic function. Notice there's a little 3 there, cubic 3s. Okay, so look, when you guys are on a cubic function, you guys see inflection point here, and you're probably like, okay, I don't even know what that is, because we talked about vertices, vertex. Okay, maximum point, minimum point, but now inflection point. Inflection point, so we'll read. An inflection point of a cubic function is the single point when the graph changes from being concave up to concave down or vice versa. Okay, so when you look at this, you are quiet. Yes, whoever said, shut up. Yeah. Okay, so what I mean is, if this is the way the function looks like, the one I'm giving you, here's your function. Okay, this is your inflection point. And what it is if I was to continue this, if I was to then go up, see how that's concave up? And then this one, let's do, a different color. This one would be concave. If I kept going, this would be concave down. So that's why it's called an inflection point, because that's the point where that concavity switches when you're thinking of parabolas or quadratics. Okay, so here, this is your inflection point, and they just call it HK. So here's my HK. This is that inflection point. Here's your HK. So this point is 2.5 negative 6. That's your HK, which will go right. 2.5 negative 6. Yeah? Okay, yeah, because you're really sick.
No, I'm not sick.
Okay, good.
Somebody's sick.
I know, because I got miles to run, and like it's hard to like breathe when I can't breathe. Right? You can keep it for the day, or you can return it. Okay. Okay, is that okay, you guys? So regardless of how it goes, it's that point where it's changing. So you could even have it bigger like this. It's that point when you go concave up, concave down. Okay, so yeah. It's always HK. And so then the other point I give you, that's your XY, and you guys are solving for A. Yeah? We're good? Yeah, that's why I'll stop the video after this one, because I know. So if you guys were to Google, let's hit images. If you guys hit images, like see how there's my inflection point there, like see how it's concave down and then all of a sudden it's concave up. If I, oh yeah, see, so there's inflection point there because it's changing concavity. Here it's there. So if you just, yeah, like see, oh look at happy face, sad face. Oh, look at inflection point. So there you go. So that's what an inflection point is. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to this. All right, I'm going to substitute. And so this is XY. So this is 4.5, and this is going to be negative 8.4 because that's basically Y, right? But let's do the math here so I can write big. I can cover this. Yeah? Remember, you're cubing the number, so just make sure, right? There's my AHK, XY, right? Everything's there. Okay, can I clean it up now? All right, negative 8.4. Okay, 4.5 minus 2.5. You could throw it in the calculator, but that should be a 2 cubed minus 6, right? 4.5 minus 2.5 gives me 2. Okay, you don't need a calculator, but if you need it, what is 2 cubed? 2 cubed is the equivalent of 2 times 2 times 2, which is? Yes. Right? Okay, so it's okay, this is the coefficient to A. It is not 8 minus 6. Do not do this where some students will then go 2. No. Do not do that. That's a huge common mistake. That number becomes the coefficient of A. Okay, all right, and now you guys are just back to a two-step. So take that over, plus 6, negative 2.4? Yeah? The conversation is not that good. Math. Come on. And you get, is it 0.3? Yeah. Oh, it's in the graph. It's given for point. Hold on, let me see if I can grab it. See right here? X, Y. Yeah? Yeah. And that's this point here. This is a point I'm giving you. 4.5, negative 8.4. These are the 2 points that I give you. It's just I wrote them out because I don't know if they would not come out. Yes. Okay, so what is my vertex or inflection point form? Right, but we'll just call it vertex, and then I'll write it on the paper. Y equals negative 0.3, x minus 2.5 cubed minus 6. This is what would get written. And it doesn't matter where you guys put between the two. Okay. Yeah? Okay, let me stop it here and then we'll do the expansion. Yeah. 2 cubed. So 4.5 minus 2.5 is 2, the subtraction. But you have a cube there. It's not a square. We're not doing quadratics now. Now we're cubic functions. So cube. So what is 2 times 2 times 2? 8. And so that's where that 2 cubed is equivalent to 8, but it's the coefficient of 8.